A good day of sweat always feels good.
Tearing it apart?
Yeah, I like building new, starting at zero. This is hard. You got to work to get to zero.
I'm Ron Paulk, and this is the Smart Wood Shop. If you want to get a detailed set of plans to build a smart wood shop for yourself or one of the Paulk smart workbenches, there's a link in the description of this video down below where you can go and purchase plans and download them instantaneously 24/7, 365.
Trying to get the garage emptied out of all the detritus so we've got room to store things until we finish the remodel. But a good day of sweat always feels good.
Ready to be carried out?
Ready to be carried out.
So Ron's been busy today. He fixed the leak under the sink, took down the railing, which really opened up the room, took down those little weird bookcases, took out the shelves over the windows, thank God, because they were really, really hideous and old-fashioned. So that's good. It's a start.
If you like these videos, be sure to give me a thumbs up. It really helps to drive the algorithm so other people will find the channel. Also, subscribe and ring the bell so you'll know, YouTube will let you know when I put up a new video so you won't miss any of these. And if you want to support the channel, those are free ways you can do it, just by thumbs up and subscribing. But also you can purchase any of our plans where you go to that link in the description of the video and you can purchase plans and then download them 24/7, 365, and that's instantaneously. You don't have to wait. You get them digitally right to your computer right now. And also you can use our Amazon store or some of our affiliate links where they'll give you their same everyday price, but they'll share a little bit with us. Hey, thanks for dropping into the Smart Wood Shop. You stay safe and have a great day.